All right, so I just wanted to make another quick little video running through my trade. Standard setup for me, guys. Broke through the 200, came back down, retested the 21. Looking left, this was also kind of a nice zone. Got the 3-line strike, entered a trade, stop loss below that swing, plus a little bit over here, just to keep it a little bit safe. My original goal was to have a 1 to 3 risk to reward, which was pretty much like this area, but it's pre-market. You know, 6 a.m. when I entered the trade, and I ended up closing it at a 1 to 2 risk to reward. I will show you that in a second. But the reason why I decided a 1 to 3 was because looking left, you know, this is a nice zone. It kind of got up here. So I could have gotten that, but I'm happy with a 1 to 2, especially after yesterday's chaotic trading session. Also, I wanted to show you, because I decided to do this on an FTMO free trial. So as you guys can see here, I started it on August 22nd. It gives you 2 weeks to do the free trial, so September 4th is the end date. I chose the $50,000 account just because that's what I'm used to trading. And so you need a minimum of 5 trading days, right? Daily max loss and total maximum loss profit target is 5% because it's half of what's required out of a normal challenge. But so far I've passed those. I just need one more trading day. And you can see that the current equity is 52,642. So after this one trade, I got basically past this FTMO free trial. Average risk to reward, because I've been doing a lot of 1 to 1.5, so it's 1.68, 13 trades, because yesterday I went a little bit overzealous. Profit factor is 2 almost, which is pretty good. Win rate, you know, I'd like it better, but yesterday kind of screwed me over. Here you can see all of my trades. You know, had a good run. Yesterday, you know, 4 back-to-back losses, made a little bit of profit back, another loss, and then made a majority of the profit back, where I ended the day with $111. So, yeah, that's, I guess, how to pass an FTMO free trial. I'm doing all these 3-line strike trades for the competition in the Discord group. If you guys aren't in here, you probably should be. All of the profitable trades that are taken during this competition are posted right here. As you can see, mine is right here. So had a buy, 3.25 lot size, US 30. Entry price was 33.20, and closing price was 33.50. This was my original take profit at 67, which it would have hit, but $1,000, I'm happy with it. So if you guys actually enjoy videos like this, where I run through the trades that I do and why I entered and how they played out, let me know in the comment section, and I will try to make more of these, or I'll just post them in my Telegram group, which you can find linked below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.